May we call on Fire Senior Superintendent Richard V. Arbotate, Acting Regional Director, BFP 10, to formally introduce to us our guests of honor and speaker, sir.
Mayong buntag sa tanan. Before I will introduce our guest of honor speaker, allow me to acknowledge the presence of our honored guests, namely Honorable J. Vincent Capistrano, Mayor of Salay, Misamis Oriental, Honorable Bertoldo Moralion, the Municipal Mayor of Lone Victoria, Mayor of Buntag, and Honorable Risa Ordina de los Santos, the Municipal Mayor of Larin, Mount Ayuntag, Honorable Chaimao Kinlay, represented by Attorney Lucy Allen Kinlay, Tomas Gomez, the Municipal Administrator, and Honorable Attorney Alexis Kinya, represented by Kagawad Stephen Pumilio of Malinasar, Honorable Renato Sulatan, the Municipal Mayor of Talakad. Sir, Mayor, may muntag, kami kayo sa kasama cake. My favorite. And Kagawad Lord J. Janao of Sangguniang Bayan Member, Local Government of Villanueva. Honorable Lancelot Borja Pagla, Barangay Chairman of Barangay Kanituan. And Honorable Samuel Raipon, Barangay Chairman, Barangay Makabalan, Guiandaro City. And Mr. Ricardo Capistrano, Mr. Rick Brian Capistrano, from Soy Commercial Corporation. Engineer Edwin E. Baday, represented by Mr. Warren Camardo of Philcor Petroleum Depot Corporation. Distinguished guests, honorable local chief executives, the representative of some of our local chief executives, private partners, fire safety stakeholders, fellow uniformed personnel from BGMP, from the PNP. I would like to acknowledge my underclass who is now a newly invented Brigadier General, Police Brigadier General, Aaron Nanya. And from other agencies present today, from the men and women of the Bureau of Fire Protection who have been who toiled for the rest of these years and arrived here in this noble hall, it is my honor and pleasure to present to you, to introduce to you our honored guest of honor and speaker. Our guest of honor and speaker started his journey in public sector in 1992 as Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman from 1995 to 2007. He served as 3-term Sangguniang Bayan member and later as Municipal Vice Mayor. He was appointed by the President in the DILG as Local Government Operations Officers 8 or a Provincial Director in year 2011. The following year, in 2012, the President conferred him his rank, CISO 5, in the Career Executive Service or CES or CES. As Provincial Director, his tour of duty took him to assignments in the provinces of, namely, Lanao del Norte, Bukidnon, Misamis Oriental, and Camiguin. Assignments marked by integrity, commitment, and performance. He was appointed as Regional Director by the President last February of 2025. His efforts have earned national recognition, including the Presidential Gawad Kampiyon ng Kabataang Pilipino, Outstanding Legislator for Youth Development in 2005, conferred by the Office of the President through the National Youth Commission, or NYC, and the National Movement of Young Legislators, NYF. The CAPTEP Ace Dangal ng Katawaran Award of the DLG in 2022, and a finalist spot for the Presidential Gawad Career Executive Service, or CES, last 2024. Our guest of honor and speaker holds a master's degree in public management, a Bachelor of Arts degree in history and English, and a diploma
Welcome, Radio Unit 12 logged in. First group BFT1.
commercial man po yun. Commercial. Dapat talaga tayo maraming sponsors. May commercials. So going back to my reading of the credentials of our guest of honor and speaker, he has a diploma in developmental management from the Asian Institute of Management, or AIM, as a scholar of the Ford Foundation and the Eugenio Lopez Foundation. He is also a Conrad Adeluan Stefan Fellow. If I was able to. So it probably is a German Stefan. Having studied the works of political parties and the federal system of Federal Republic of Germany. Beyond the walls of government, he has been a mentor and educator. He has taught at the graduate schools of Bukidnon State College, or BUCSO, the Iligan Medical Center College, IMCC, and the University of Science and Technology of the Philippines, USTP. He has lectured at the Ateneo de Cagayan Xavier University through the Governance and Leadership Institute, XUGLI, and has been a guest lecturer of the Philippine Councilors League, the Legislative Academy, or PCLLA, at the Developmental Academy of the Philippines, or DAP, Maine and DAP, Mindanao. He is a certified coach and certified assessment center assessor of the Local Government Academy, or LGA, and at times acted as module coordinator for the LGA's apprenticeship program. He also serves the Career Executive Service Committee as Deputized and Certified Career Executive Service Eligibility, or CESI, Validator of the Career Executive Service Board, CESP. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor speaker is no less than Director Rose Augusto Ulau, Season 5.
Palihog maglingkod na. Maayong buntag kanatong tanan. Good morning everyone. Paayad haladaw, madagway ang masulong. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you, and may the grace and mercy of Allah subhanallah be upon us all. Ato po na pasalamatan sa dili pa nako malimtan ang ato mga Masters of Ceremony. Si Fire Senior Inspector Alana Claire Di Gaali, ato palakpakan. And Fire Officer 3 Attorney Reynald B. Montano. Nato sa atong Acting Regional Director sa Bureau of Fire Protection, Region 10, Fire Senior Superintendent Richard V. Arbutante. Sir! sa atong liderato sa Bureau of Fire Protection 10 sa region ug ngadto sa atong mga probinsya, syudad ug mga munisipyo, the distinguished officers and personnel of the Bureau of Fire Protection, our partners from the national government, ang atong mga kapamilya sa Department of the Interior Local Government, from the Philippine National Police, Sir, General Manda, sir. And sa atong sa Bureau of Jails Management and Penology, sa atong mga national line agencies and of course local government units, members of the uniformed services, stakeholders, guests, o ato sa giparangan ang ato ang kinasingkasing nga pagtabon, pagpasalamat sa mga gihatagan kagalinang sa awards gikan sa itong mga local government units and of course from the governors, the city and municipal mayors and their representatives, sa ato sa mga stakeholders and private individuals nga gihatagan sa pasidungog, even sa atong mga punong barangays na nahatagan sa pasidungog kalawag-lawag. And congratulations usab sa atong mga snapping nga mga units sa Bureau of Fire Protection sa Northern Mindanao na nagdawas sa Organizational Unit Awards. Ang atong tanan, again, maayong buntag. May buntag. It is indeed an honor to join you today as we celebrate the 35th founding anniversary of the Bureau of Fire Protection. 35 na dahil katuig. Sugod sa pagkabugna sa Bureau of Fire Protection. This was 1991, if I'm not mistaken. Nagsugod ko sa akong public sector career in 1992 as a Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman. So, dungan-dungan na niya usab, may kong pagpanatungdanan. Inon ako sa pagkahibugso sa Bureau of Fire Protection. As the Bureau of Fire Protection commemorate 3.5 decades of dedicated service, safeguarding lives, protecting property, and promoting the safety and well-being of our communities. On behalf of the Department of the Interior Local Government, your DILG, Northern Mindanao, please accept our sincere and heartfelt congratulations. This year's theme, 3 dekada at 5 taon ng serbisyong tapat at maasahan Bureau of Fire Protection sa bagong Pilipinas, fittingly honors the Bureau's enduring legacy of dependable public service. It reflects the courage, reflects the sacrifice and perseverance of the Bureau of Fire Protection personnel who faithfully carry out the noble responsibility of protecting our people and helping build a safer, stronger, and more resilient nation. Just last week, ladies and gentlemen, we conducted the observance of the National Disaster Resilience Month of 2026 under the theme, Naghahanda at Kumikilos tungo sa panatag na bagong Pilipinas. Government agencies, local government units and communities, and also our development partners renewed our shared commitment to disaster preparedness and resilience. That observance reminded us that resilience is built not only when disaster strikes, but every day, sa matag adlaw, through preparation, cooperation, and shared responsibilidad nga ato tanan nga gisawan. And this principle is at the heart of every firefighter's work. Today, ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate the Bureau of Fire Protection's milestone, we realize that this same principle defines the work of every firefighter. The work of our firefighters extends far beyond responding to fire incidents. You educate communities. We thank you for that. Atong palakpakan ang atong mga kamandiruhan, ang atong Bureau of Fire Protection. You conduct inspections that help ensure our buildings, establishments, and public spaces that they should and must be safe and compliant to existing laws, rules, and regulations. You respond to floods, you respond to earthquakes, landslides, and other emergencies. Dili lang ang atong Bureau of Fire Protection and the men and women of BFP nagpaabot o muresponde kung naay insidente sa sunog apan saksi kitang tanan, especially ang atong mga local government units, ang atong mga communities na panahon sa baha, linog o uban pang mga kalamidad, anaa ang atong Bureau of Fire Protection. Again, we thank you for that. When danger is at its greatest, you courageously place yourselves in harm's way so that others may be brought to safety. And I believe ang atong mga local chief executives nga niya karon o ang atong mga local chief executives nga naa sa mga local government units nakakita sa mga gibuhaton sa ato ang mga kabumbiruhan, the men and women of the Bureau of Fire Protection. That is why they have given their support to the Bureau of Fire Protection. And the BFP has honored them. And I also enjoy all other local government units to extend support to our Bureau of Fire Protection. Because any support extended to the Bureau of Fire Protection is a support to the safety of our respective communities. Through these efforts, the Bureau demonstrates that its mission is not only to respond to emergencies, but also to help communities to prepare for hazards, withstand their impact, and recover stronger. The Bureau of Fire Protection has therefore become an indispensable pillar of disaster preparedness, emergency response, and community resilience. We would like also to honor not only the presence, but the support given by the private sector and our communities to the Bureau of Fire Protection. Preparation and responding to emergencies should and must not only be the responsibility of government, should and must not only be the responsibility of the Bureau of Fire Protection, but it must be a shared responsibility of everyone. To our fearless firefighters, your service reminds us of an important truth. Preparedness is not an expense. It is an investment in lives, investment to our communities, and investment to our nation as a whole. Every fire safety inspection strengthens our protection against preventable disasters. Every community fire drill builds readiness and confidence. Every household that you educate empowers families to protect themselves and their loved ones. And every emergency response will bring hope and reassurance in the face of danger. Above all, every life preserved is a testament to the courage, selflessness that define your profession, that define the men and women of the Bureau of Fire Protection. As we commemorate this milestone, may this celebration serve not only as a recognition of the Bureau's achievements, but also as a renewal and a renewed call to uphold the highest ideals of public service. May you retain or remain responsive to the needs of our people, unwavering in your pursuit of excellence and steadfast in fulfilling your mandate. We likewise honor the brave men and women who serve before us, especially those who made the ultimate sacrifice in the line of duty. Their courage, selflessness, and dedication help shape the proud legacy of this Bureau. May their example continue to inspire every member of the BFP to serve with integrity, to serve with professionalism, to serve with compassion, and serve with excellence. To the officers and personnel of the Bureau of Fire Protection Region 10, thank you daghan kaayong salamat for your unwavering commitment to the people of Northern Mindanao. Thank you for answering every call for help. May you continue to carry out your noble mission with courage and compassion, always mindful that behind every BFP uniform is a solemn commitment to serve, to protect, and to save lives. Once again, congratulations on the 35th founding anniversary of the Bureau of Fire Protection. May the Bureau continue to lead with courage, dedication, and excellence in building a safe, stronger, and more resilient bagong Pilipinas. Daghang salamat ug maayong buntag sa atong tanan.
Thank you so much, Director Kuno, for those powerful and inspiring words. Truly, words that will stay with every fire officer here as they continue their mission of service.